Help Safe Place celebrate 30 years of serving the community. You and your business can help by supporting the 8th annual Safe at Home Celebrity Server Dinner on May 10th at the Medalist Golf Club. Safe Place is committed to helping victims of domestic violence and their families in Barry, Eaton, and Calhoun counties. Women and children who have been physically, verbally, or emotionally abused. Won't you join us as a corporate sponsor for this important fundraiser? Guests will enjoy dinner and a live and silent auction. For more information on how you can be a sponsor for the Safe at Home Celebrity Server Dinner, call 965-6093. Join our community sponsors, including the Battle Creek Community Foundation, Kellogg Company, Miller College, Post Foods, DJ Talent, Bill O'Reilly, the Medalist Golf Club, and Win 98.5. There are still a few sponsorships available before the April 19th deadline. Call Safe Place at 965-6093, 965-6093.